The iPhone 17 Pro launches in just a few days, but we've already got the official cases from Apple. Let's crack them open and see what they look like. So these cases are for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I think that I'm going to buy the orange color when pre-orders start tomorrow. I would love to know what you're going to order. Ooh, oh yeah, ooh, we even have, so this looks like the silicone case lineup, but we have midnight orange, neon yellow, which this looks good. This looks like blue. Oh, this is midnight. Then what color is this? Correction, ladies and gentlemen. So this one here is purple fog. And now that I see it in the camera, it actually makes more sense compared to that one. So purple fog and then midnight here on the right. And then we also have, this should be burnt sienna, if I want to call it that. Let's see, this is called, oh, I'm sorry, terracotta. It's super fancy. Unfortunately, they didn't send me the black one. Now let's go ahead and let's open this purple fog one. Now, obviously don't have the phone yet because it's just about a week away until it comes out. Okay, now, so the thing that a lot of people care about is here at the bottom, and the bottom is completely sealed. And then it has these two holes here for the strap. So these lines, the cutouts for the circles, or sorry, for the cutouts here for the speakers and for the USB-C port seem to be symmetrical. Look how big this is. This is gigantic. Holy cow. And if I were to put my iPhone 16 Pro Max in here, well, it fits. That's how big it is. Holy cow, look at that. That's definitely big. That camera bar is gonna be gigantic. Sorry, camera plateau. The camera plateau is gonna be gigantic. All right, so there is purple fog. Not bad, it would look good with the silver iPhone, I think. All right, one by one, we're gonna do neon yellow. This would look good with the blue. Oof, this is super bright. Very nice. You know, let me see that. Didn't even think about that. What does the MagSafe animation look like with these new phones? You tell me. All of the buttons here, you can see that they work. The volume button work. Yep, camera control works, or this the action button. That works as well. This phone is essentially the same. The only thing is the difference is the camera plateau. But I wanted to see the animation. So the animation does not work. So normally when you attach a MagSafe case from Apple to your iPhone, you get this cool kind of bouncing animation showing you the color of the case. That doesn't work here with the iPhone 16 Pro as the device. Maybe it works on the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 line of devices. We'll have to wait till we get the device next week, which if you want to see my review, my unboxing, make sure you get subscribed because I got a lot more stuff coming, including more cases, more accessories that will make your iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 device feel fantastic. Next, we're going to do orange, which is my personal favorite, though I don't know if I would actually get an orange on orange case. It seems like it's a little bit too much orange, if you know what I mean. There's just like a lot of orange going on. It might be a little bit too, oh my God, that is so beautiful. Sorry, I got carried away there. Here we go. So look at this bad boy. This is still all that soft felt lined. Obviously, these are going to be lined up here. Let's see if we can get it to, nope, still didn't work. So if Apple made this desert titanium color with orange, that would look pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. All right, that out. Here's the orange. We have midnight. So if you're wondering what the difference is between midnight and black, so the difference here, midnight is more like a navy blue, or black would be like a true black with no undertone underneath at all. Oh, okay. This is not bad. This is not bad at all. This looks good. Again, it would look good with the silver phone, look good with the blue phone. I think in the blue phone it might be a little bit too much. But let's take a look here how it appears with a light-colored iPhone. Not bad. Not my favorite, though. Not my personal favorite. Guys, tell me down in the comments below what your favorite color is. And here is burnt sienna. I know it's not burnt sienna, but I'm scarred by kindergarten. This is terracotta, so this might give a lot of contrast to the orange color. Probably look good with this desert titanium phone from last year. Ooh, ooh, wow. That is pretty good looking here. Here it is, front, here's this with the phone. So there you have it, 5 colors that are available for the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max devices. We got purple fog, neon yellow, orange, good looking color, midnight, and terracotta, AKA burnt sienna. They did mention that the buttons were re-engineered, and I haven't necessarily noticed a difference in how the buttons feel. Again, if you have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, these cases fit exactly the same, and all the buttons work. For me, I'm getting orange the orange actually might be too orange now that I look at it in person, and this color, the terracotta color, might be the one to get. But I want to know what you think. Let me know which case you're getting for your iPhone. Do you think these are worth $50? Apple has kind of a history of these cases not lasting long for some people. You see that they got the wear and tear around the sides here. Not bad. I like them, but I wonder how it will actually last with putting in and out of your pocket. Will you get a whole bunch of lint like some of the cases have done in the past or not? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Make sure you get subscribed for more iPhone 17 content. My name is Mike, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. I'm out of here.